Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you attacking cover 4 variant. In the beginning, let's go to attacking coverages in skill trainer and select attacking cover 4. You can recognize cover 4 by spotting the two safeties and cornerback playing deep coverage. The stick pass concept will force the outside underneath zone defender to make a decision about who to defend. Run the stick pass concept and complete a pass to anyone inside a hotspot to beat cover 4. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.